everyone, I'm Binu here and welcome to my channel Balcony Workshop. Today we are going to discuss what are the considerations that you're going to give when you're working in a workshop, any workshop, not just a small or a big, any workshop when you're working. What are the safety considerations that you need to give, and what are the safety equipments that you can use? So you in a workshop you need to protect the whole of your body, but if you look at it, the most important part of your body is your eyes. So you need to always protect your eyes. So you always need to have a protective gear which protects your eyes. So today I'm going to show you two of them. So there's a full face shield that you can wear. You can just have this. One of the advantage of wearing a full face shield is that it will protect your whole face and not just the eyes. Protect your nose, it will protect your mouth, you protect your face, and you also have a bigger 180-degree vision. It doesn't hinder your vision. So that is the advantage of this. This particular face shield is made out of ABS, so it is shatterproof. It doesn't scratch easily. The second face eye protective gear you can wear is this. In this you will have more of a protection from the side, so you might use this more often when you're working in a heavy dust environment. So it will protect your eyes from dust from entering into the eyes. So this is really good in that way, and it's also flexible, so it doesn't shatter or anything if something comes and hits your eyes. So these are the two things that the two versions of things, but you can find better quality and different designs available in this range. Another thing that you need to protect is you will always be having a lot of noise when you're working in a workshop. So if you're using power tool, or if you're generally in a workshop, you'll have a lot of noise. And if you're especially closer to a power tool, if you're closer to a machine which is having high RPM machine, you will have a lot of noise. So it can really hurt your ears over long run. So you can put anything. So I have noise cancelling headphones, so I'll put that. I don't need to listen to music. If as soon as I put this noise cancelling headphones, it muffles most of this noise. So you can use it. You have bigger ones which come, you just have a earplug that comes, you can use any of those. The next one is using you always need to protect your lungs. So you need to have a mask. Now that this is very common with COVID thing going around, I don't think so this should be a problem anymore wearing a mask. But what happens is, if you are in a high dust environment, you have a lot of small particles that enter your nose you are not even aware of. So but it can cause a long-term issues for your lungs and your body. So always wear a mask if you're in a workshop. If you are in a high fume environment, always wear a mask. So you have different versions of this mask. For all these things that I'm going to show, there are different versions depending upon what you want and what is the quality you require and what is the environment you are in. So I'll put up the description of the things that I got here, and a description of the link from where I've got from Amazon or Flipkart or somewhere, and you can go to the description to check that out. Now if you're using a mask and if you're going to use eyewear, there's a common issue that you will have a lot of smoke that is coming up, a lot of fog that happens onto your eyewear. So if you're going to do a precision work, then I would suggest that you wear a full face shield, because this doesn't allow the smoke to form. So there's a lot of openings, so the fog gets distributed. So if you're going to do any sort of precision work, this will give you much more clarity than you can find with this eyewear. Now the next one is, if you're going to work with what do you say, power tools, you will have a lot of vibration, so you can have these gloves to reduce the vibration. The vibration can lead to a lot of fatigue while you're working, so it's better you use a gloves when you're going to use power tools, machines, your hand. And when you're handling material, it'll keep the dust off, dirt off, it'll keep the splinters off. So it's better you can use gloves to when use a gloves when you're working with power tools. Yeah. And the final one, you need to have a shoe. So if you're in a workshop, always wear a shoe. Don't walk in to a workshop with slippers or sandals or things like that, or not even with normal shoes. So here you will see that this part of the shoe is heavily padded, or there is rubber padding onto it, so if anything falls on this, it doesn't affect your finger. So if you're going to walk around in the workshop or work in the workshop, you will have a lot of steel components, you will have a lot of heavy timber, so it can fall onto your feet and cause a lot of trouble. So you need to always wear shoes for protecting your legs. Thank you so much for watching this video. The next video would be explaining what are different kinds of hand tools and power tools that I'm using. Yeah. So see you next time. Bye.